Welcome back. In today's episode, we're moving from paperwork to personality and how to turn your new Spanish apartment or house into a true home. Spain's home has their own charm. We're talking arched doorways, tile floors, balconies full of light. But when you first walk in, especially if it's unfurnished, it's going to feel overwhelming. The good news, Spain offers countless ways to furnish beautifully without overspending. If your shipment with SDC International Shipping is still in transit, local stores and online marketplaces can bridge the gap. IKEA is great for basics, but don't miss local markets and secondhand shops. Remember that appliances are often not included in rentals, so plan for quick purchases. Many stores deliver and install within days, and if you've shipped larger items from the US, SDC's delivery partners will handle everything from unloading to placement, even in those famously narrow staircases. Once you've added your final touches, the art, textiles, and lighting, your home will start to feel like an extension of you. And soon your neighborhood will feel like home too. Meet your baker, visit the same cafe, learn the rhythm of the area. For helping make that move and making it feel seamless, call 844-651-7050 or visit our website today.